Yo, what's good, trading family? Welcome to this week's edition of My Sunday Best. If you're new to my channel, my name is Drew Bishop. I'm a trader, an investor, and entrepreneur, and I put out 1 to 2 videos a week that's got either my best trading opportunity or a review from last week, something like that. And today's video is a little bit different than what I've been doing. I've currently been working on like a vlog style of video, and this is just strictly educational. So if you guys like the other style better, it might be more entertaining to you guys. I don't know, just let me know, and I'll keep working, keep trying to get better on that. But today's video, once again, is a video about how to manage your trades. You know, I get the questions all the time, whether it is when to take off partial targets, when to roll stops to break even, when to roll them either above or below structure. In this video, I give a live example of a trade that I'm still currently in now, and kind of how I've managed it along the way, how I've paid myself, how I've rolled stops to break even, and then how I want to potentially move them above structure as well. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and also, hey, if anybody's reaching out to you on Instagram at ForexBish or at Drew Bishop, whatever it is, I don't currently have an Instagram. Mine got deleted, so just understand that it's not me, and I would appreciate it if you reported them just to try to get some of these accounts down. But once again, I hope you guys enjoy the video about how to manage your active trades. So enjoy. What's up, trading fam? So I want to talk about in this video, once again, how to manage targets. And so what I'm going to do is give a breakdown on the Euro New Zealand trade I took live in the vlog last week. So I'm going to give a quick explanation on it. If you want to see more, watch last week's video. You'll see why I got involved and where. And what I want to talk about today is kind of how to manage this trade. So first and foremost, once again, let me make this quick. I saw a break of this level support on the daily time frame, right? We broke through. I'm telling you now, I want to look for a selling opportunity. Went down to the 4-hour time frame. I saw this little zone of structure right here, and I told myself, great, if I can see a pullback into this area, then I want to look short, right? Let's go to the 1 hour now. As you can see, here was the pullback into this area, and now I was looking for an entry reason to look short. Here's a high momentum bullish candle, followed by a rejection candle and a good close near the extreme low, and then a follow through to the downside. So this is my price action reason to get short. And once again, you can watch last week's video for a little bit more in-depth reason behind it, but I had stopped right above structure. And then now let's talk about targets. Let me go back out to the 4-hour time frame. And actually, I'm going to replay this to where it's live, if you don't mind. So if you don't mind, ugly. So for me, what I want to do now is, if I'm looking to take a selling position, right? I'm in an active selling position. I want to tell myself, where is the next area of danger? Meaning, where do I think that the buyers are going to come back in to hold the market once again? And for me, it's all about structure. This level of support down here is the most recent area where the buyers push price up. And what I mean by that is this. Look, the bears pushed it down, or the sellers, and then boom. In this zone, the buyers found some momentum and then pushed price back up, right? So for me, what I'm anticipating now is a retest of this level. In order for the bears to continue down pushing through the market, they've got to first break through this level, right? So this is the first area of danger, in my opinion, in the first place that I want to take some money off the table. So let's watch how this played out. I didn't get filled here because I was looking a little bit lower, but I got filled right over here. And here's another thing, right? When you look to decide, are you a swing trader or are you a day trader? This took almost a week, right? I was in profits. I lost some of the profits, went back into profits, really close to targets, lost some of it, and then boom. So you need to ask yourself, how long are you going to hold trades? How can you handle it psychologically, and what fits your style best, right? So let's talk about how to manage this now. So for me, once again, this is the first area that I anticipate there to be some danger, right? Or I think there's going to be some bullish pressure coming into the market. So when we touch this level, or if my prediction comes true, what I want to do is go ahead and take some money off the table, right? I want to pay myself for making the correct prediction. So I went ahead and paid myself for making the correct prediction, and then I did this. Move stops from here to break even. So this is not rolling stops yet. This is just considered making my stop loss now at break even, okay? And the reason I have not rolled stops is this. This is the level of support, right? We held here. We tested the zone here. We held, and we've held here. So this level of support has still not been broken yet. We've still not pushed down and broken through this level. So in order for me to roll targets now into profit, what I want to see is this. I need to see this level of support broken with a red light breaker structure. If we can see this red light breaker structure break through this level of support, I now have more of a continuation bias. I'm now more confident that the bears continue to push price down. And now I want to move my stop loss into a better place that secures me even more profits. So for me, the next thing I would do now is move the stop loss from here to right above this high. I'll make it red so you know that's what I'm talking about. Because let's talk about it. If we break through this level of support, right, I'm not anticipating this level to be broken. I'm not anticipating the price to push above and touch this zone. right? Because if it does, I no longer now have a continuation bias to the downside, right? So I've moved my stop loss from what was once break even or what was once in the negative to break even to now getting extra confirmation once this support has been broken to now putting it up above the most recent lower high, right? Because once again, if price pushes up, breaks through this level, I no longer have an extra continuation bias to the downside. So this is what the difference is when people talk about, hey, how do you roll stops? How do you manage a trade? How do you roll stops above structure, below structure to break even, whatever it may be. And for me, it's a systematic approach that when my first prediction has been hit, boom, let me pay myself. Let me now make it to where I'm not going to lose any more money on this trade, right? And then once there's been now extra confirmation that, hey, there's been a level of structure broken, I now want to hide either above or below that most recent structure, depending on the direction, right? So I hope this makes sense. Please reach out to me if it doesn't. And actually, I don't have an Instagram right now, so I guess just leave a comment on here if you got some questions about this topic. But this is what I'm talking about active trade management and how there's a difference between rolling stops, when to break even, and then when to rolling them, farther down into profit above or below structure. So have a great weekend. If you guys celebrate Thanksgiving, enjoy time with your family. If not, I'll talk to you later in the week.